Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone speaker too low. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll up, click on audio and visual. On the audio and visual page, turn off phone noise cancellation. Solution number 3. Set call audio routing automatic. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, click on touch. Click call audio and routing. Click set automatically. Solution number 4. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on general. Scroll up, click transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.